This is Wild Bill and JoJo. This be Wild Bill. I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. There is JoJo running wild. Today we have Az and Chris with us, along with Tina. We are at a thing called Touch a Truck in Westport, Connecticut, where they have a collection of trucks here where the kids can actually see the vehicles, climb on the vehicles, and have a good time.
Check out the fire truck?
Westport Fire Department.
What are all your guys' names? I'm James. Hi. What's yours?
You don't want to go on the fire truck?
Look at it.
Why?
Big red truck.
RC cars. They're fascinated by them. They got two. They got a whole bunch of them.
They got McQueen. Whoa, that's nice. Oh. You cannot go get that. I can get that red one that goes.
Trying to work two-handed here. Using both cameras right now. The phone and because I don't want to miss the episode. Oh, it just made a jump. Did you see that, people? That was cool. Daughter would kindly help. This is a police vehicle. Wow.
They have big wheels.
Armored. All right. There's a police car.
Police.
And a police SUV. Yo, usually you do tattoos, you just don't like your face painted. Why are you... Now they're at the, yes, the pop, how much popcorn's in the bowl stand. They're all taking a guess. It's free. They could win a $100 at the Bowtie Cinemas. They like movies. All right, Joe chasing bubbles. That's fun.
Come here.
Joe playing with bubbles.
1 second.
I don't know how that thing works. It's a new
This
one.
young man wants...
Found me an orange fish over there. And hang on one. Okay, little tractors. Little tractor. Mohawk storage, moving and storage. More trucks over that way. Is a bulldozer. And now I can't show you any of the other vehicles. Now I can show you the school bus. Joe's playing in the school bus.
Yeah, let's go. Hey, Spen.
I wanted to buy him one like this instead of the house, the cardboard house we have downstairs, but Joe's so bored not to take it. There's the fire truck. Joe's gonna go in it. He's going in the fire truck. Where you at, Joe? Hey, we found you there. You're in there. Now you follow the steering wheel for the bus. Prize for winning the obstacle course. I know.
I can't sign along.
Go on the orange dot so you
I know. All right, so there's no point, Joe.
Come on, let's go get a balloon.
Trying to get balloons. Time for some balloon fun. Joe wandering off again as usual. I got you, Joe. Joe going up the slide. Stepping on his shoes. Az going up the slide. Joe coming down the slide. Chris going up the slide. Chris gets up there a lot faster than Az. I don't understand that. Here comes Az down the slide.
All right,
so Joe, you did it. Now we put your shoes back.
And Chris coming down the slide. You got little prizes for playing games. Novel attraction. You get 30 seconds of fame. You gonna play Crossfire, Joe?
Crossfire, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's why it's not working. Got it.
Well, we're all gonna take a turn.
Yeah. In fact, you can do 2 people at once.
Alright, Chris, you want to play this game?
There you go. Try to shoot one of the shapes into the other person's side.
Chris is playing some truck game I've never seen.
The point is to dump the marbles into the other people's thing so that you don't have any, but they do.
Finally got one I know. Catamaran. I'm not wrong. That's almost the first for this show. Jojo wants to play on the catamaran. I'd like to get one of those. I don't like sail though normally.
I know. Sorry, Ed. Do you want a sticker?
Yeah, it's a catamaran. Oh. How's Cookie Monster? He's my man. So I found me a go-kart. That makes me happy.
3 RPM.
Yo, I'd rather spin the wheel. See what he wins.
You got a t-shirt.
Got a t-shirt. Scuba diving trip. I want to do that once in life.
Oh my God.
When I was much, much younger. The fish guy's over here again. The fish guy gonna drive a go-kart. Just thought it'd be good. It could be dangerous. We're heading over to Thomas the Tank Engine. I know you gotta get in a line. Yes, you do, Joe. Nothing moves on a line. Don't be stupid. You don't take your shoes off to ride the train. Why do you take your shoes off to ride a train?
Jojo, you have to put it back on. You gotta wait for the next one.
The last few stands over here. Gonna go ride the train.
And we'll be right back.
There's a bucket. We're going to freaking power lines. Cutting down trees. Eat my fingers. Hopefully we don't have to go to the backup because we took the train and we didn't take any video from the train except on the GoPro. So this is the garbage truck. Yeah. One of Joe's favorite things is a garbage truck. Oh no, he's got a garbage truck. He got a garbage can. I found more bathrooms. Boar's head. Oh, I got a garbage truck, yeah.
No, trash can.
I know trash can. What do you want me to do? Alright, while Joe and Chris are forming a band, they're going to call it noise. We know we can handle that, okay? We got it covered. And now we're going to see the school bus. I got a truck with a tractor in the back of that. That's pretty good. And now I got to switch over from one thing I regretted in life. Yeah, maybe I wanted to join the Coast Guard and I should have. But I didn't. Yeah, look at a nice boat right here. I gotta help Joe get on this boat for sure.
No, the guy right there will.
Alright, I'll make sure it doesn't fall. Alright, we are Officer Jojo and I are getting ready to get in his police cruiser along with Deputy Chris. Deputy Chris over there. Deputy Az, you know. Our police force here. They're pretty good at this. Wild needs a nap. They got a bed set up for him in case he gets a little tired. This video is pretty hard. Sure you're off today.
Hey, look, I think you can go inside of it. No!
What?
You don't have to.
You don't have to go in. You want to go to the dump truck. I don't know if they're letting you in that one. I don't see anybody over to let you in. They'll let you in the ambulance.
Go in the ambulance?
There's the ambulance. Get a paramedic. I need a paramedic.
I can't get the train.
Alright, there's people on top of the crane. I'm getting my final looks around here. Balloon. Yeah, the balloon flew away. I see that, Joe. I got that. Joe's frantic. Somebody's balloon flew away. His didn't fly away. It's right there. You're all right.
Hey, guys.
Yours is right there. You're good. Bill, we're heading on out of the adventure today, so this will be the end of this adventure.
Don't push me.
We'll catch you next adventure. Please treat everybody with kindness. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you would kindly give this a thumbs up. or thumbs down, depending on how I am doing. I will continue to try to improve the show.